Hello and welcome to another Canadian channel feature. This video is part of Strategic Human Resource Management or SHRM segment. Please feel free to watch other sections of MBA 101 course. Diving straight onto the topic, let's see the fundamentals of Strategic HRM and HRM as whole. Human Resource Management HRM focuses on recruiting and hiring the best employees and providing them with the compensation, benefits, training, and development they need to be successful within an organization. However, Strategic Human Resource Management takes these responsibilities one step further by aligning them with the goals of other departments and overall organizational goals. HR department that practice strategic management also ensure that all of their objectives are aligned with the mission, vision, values, and goals of the organization of which they are part of. If you have watched my earlier videos, you may have noticed that I prefer to explain the concepts using an example. So let's take an example for Starbucks. Most Americans have probably purchased a coffee or some product at Starbucks. They have stores located in countries all around the world, including Canada, Bahrain, Sweden, Hong Kong, Singapore, Brazil, and recently in China. Starbucks is ubiquitous, and it's a company that really does put a lot of attention on their human resources. Starbucks generally believes that its employees, who they call partners, are the key to Starbucks experience. Starbucks wants its partners to have coffee knowledge, product expertise, and provide excellent customer service. At the same time, it believes in treating its partners with dignity and respect. Starbucks offers its partners comprehensive health benefits that exceed those provided by many other retailers. Although many partners work part-time, they're still eligible for full-time benefits if they work 240 hours a quarter. Starbucks provides health, dental, vision care, as well as tuition reimbursement, stock options, vacation, and a 401k retirement plan. Now, the high importance placed on partners in Starbucks' success is shown by the decision made by Starbucks CEO Howard Schultz. Schultz was asked by an institutional investor during the worst time for the company during the recent recession to consider cutting its workers' healthcare benefits in order to save costs. Schultz advised the investor that he would not do this, and he told the investor that he should take his money elsewhere. Now clearly, investors are very important stakeholders in any organization, but notice that how CEO Schultz put the employees actually ahead of the shareholders in terms of its priorities for going forward into the future. Starbucks was successful in tying up the company's goals strategically with the employees. I always wondered why Starbucks was so successful in charging so much for a coffee and yet be so successful. I come from a country, Canada, where a coffee shop called Tim Hortons leads the pack. Starbucks is slowly gaining in on the market share. I always see a difference in the employees from Starbucks, who are generally really happy, whereas the employees at Tim Hortons are not so much. When I interviewed the staff at both locations, I was surprised that Starbucks employees were much more happier performing their job and understood the core values than the Tim Hortons staff. Using this example, we can comprehend how Howard Schultz used strategic human resource management to provide exemplary customer service. This is why customers are willing to pay more for so-called Starbucks experience. Traditional and strategic human resources models differ significantly from each other. Many businesses have moved towards a strategic HR model because of its utility in building a business. Strategic human resource management is geared towards developing strategic plan that fit within the larger structure of the company's plan, whereas traditional HR management is almost purely administrative in nature. Understanding the difference between the traditional and strategic human resource can be important for the development of your business. I hope you enjoyed this video. I look forward to you exploring other videos on this channel. Please feel free to like, comment, subscribe, or share. If you intend to download the notes, please visit the website in the description. This is Canadian Channel signing off. Peace.